if I think about a direct substitution, if I want to replace my x with 2, our denominator goes to 0 and the whole function becomes undefined. So there is a need for us to do some basic algebra here to make the function defined. What can I do? I could factorize my numerator. Let's take x squared plus x minus 6 and factorize this. Factors of 6, 1 times 6, 2 times 3. How do I make 1? I can do 3 minus 2, which means this expression factorizes to x minus 2 and x plus 3. So I replace the numerator with x minus 2, x plus 3. So I have lem x approaches 2, this time x minus 2, x plus 3, all over x minus 2. Now x minus 2 cancels x minus 2. I have lem x approaches 2 of x plus 3. Now I can make my direct substitution. When x is 2, I have 2 plus 3 and my limit is 5. I'll take another example. Example number 2. We find the limit as s approaches minus 2. What's the function here? X squared plus 2x all over x squared minus 4. So right again, if I think of a direct substitution at this point, I can see that negative 2 squared is 4, and 4 minus 4 goes to 0, so the function becomes undefined. So I need algebra to give my function or my expression a different look. Now if I take the numerator, I can factorize. X out, I will have x plus 2. If I take the denominator, this is difference of 2 squares. X squared minus 4 is same as x squared minus 2 squared. So difference of 2 squares. Then I have x plus 2 and x minus 2. Then I can find my limit as x approaches negative 2. So x plus 2 goes off. I'm only left with lem as x approaches negative 2 of x all over x minus 2. Then I can make my direct substitution here. So I replace x, direct substitution, I replace my x with negative 2. I have negative 2 over negative 2 minus 2, which is negative 2 over negative 4. And my answer is 1 over 2. Using algebra. I'll take the third example. I'll look for the limit as x approaches 16. 16. Given function root of x minus 4 all over x minus 16. So once again, if I think of a direct substitution at this point, I will have 16 take 16, which goes to 0. So the whole function becomes undefined. So I have to think of an algebraic means to rewrite the function so that my function can be defined. How do I go about this? Right away, I can see that x take 16 could be written as square root of x squared take 4 squared. So this again looks like difference of two squares. That if I want to expand this, I will have square root of x minus 4, and again square root of x plus 4. So I put this back in the given equation I have, given expression that we have. Limit as x approaches 16. Now the numerator is root of x minus 4. The denominator is root of x minus 4 and root of x plus 4. So that this takes care of this, and my expression simplifies to lim x approaches 16 of 1 divided by square root of x plus 4. Now I can make my direct substitution here. When x is 16, I have square root of 16 here. Square root of 16 is just 4. So I have 1 over 4 plus 4. 1 over 8 is our limit. So we took 3 examples where we can solve with algebra. I'll hold this here, and in our next video we will look at how to find limit from given graphs. Subscribe to the channel and let's continue to make math beautiful. Goodbye.